What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I am your host, Terry, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the freaking dip. Let's go. Meta millionaires. I got something really exciting for you, and it's a little bit on the speculation side, but we're going to get there. And we got a new nickname. That's right. If you saw the video yesterday, I think we're going to change it to Terry Stonker. That's right. So I'm going to play this out, see how it goes, and that could be what we're going to be going, man. My man Jack, thank you to the viewer Jack, gave me that nickname, Terry MFing Stonker. Love it. Terry Stonker. We dropping them stonks. But anyway, let's get to the video here on Meta at hand, and we're going to cover the DD, the speculation DD out there that is on Twitter, going over possible, rumors and speculation. But it does get me excited because you got all this coming into fruition. Real quick, we started out pretty hot in the morning. We were up to $5.59 here in the morning, and it slowly started selling off throughout the day. We did level out around the 530 range. It shot back up to like 540, and it dropped down into 520s and kind of consolidated, and that's where it's kind of hanging out here after hours. So, quick rundown in their chart. I think a lot of it's just with the news next week in the government. You got Biden pushing on this mandate. I think the markets are a little crazy right now. A lot of places are going to be forced to get people with these vaccines, and I think the market's a little worried about everything. So let's go here to Twitter, guys. We're going on the Metamaterial News at MMAT News on Twitter, and we got some real interesting DD to go over. Now, down here in this post, they posted 11 hours ago. MMAT, this is the 5th time at Elon Musk mentioned the phrase meta since February. So we clicked this picture here, and he has a little, I guess you could say, consolidation of pictures. So here we go. Elon Musk had under his thing here, metaphoric, with meta, P-H-O-R-K. Then he also had metaphoric, just with meta and fork set with a space. Then he also had meta for K, down here, a random post. And this here was screenshotted where Elon was saying, I admit judging books by their cover, not a metaphor, I mean actual books. So that is very interesting there. So they're like, there's the 4, but where's the 5th one? Well, we're going to go down here and look. 11 hours ago, Elon Musk tagged on his official Twitter, METATERRY Rules. Now, that's very interesting because there's this article out here. Now, I'm not sure exactly where this part of the article came from, but kind of ironic right here. Mastering Lights with Smart Materials, the overview. And it says here, the industry revolution was driven by a large part by advancement in the metallurgy of iron and steel, enabling the harness of steam power. So there it is, guys. That is super interesting that we got Elon Musk typing in the meta stuff here. And this is the 5th time that he has done it. I think we can go to, right here's Elon Musk official post. Posted this today at like 7 a.m. and you can see Metamaterial News there said, good one, Elon. Now what we can metamaterial science do for electric vehicles like Tesla and space exploration. I already have 88 likes on that now. So this is pretty awesome seeing that. So I wanted to bring you this speculation, proving it right there. Elon Musk has that on there, and I know that Metamaterial News does have great DD, so thank you for putting that out there. I wanted to share that with my viewers. Now, guys, we got to go talk about the Fintel numbers on Metamaterials and see what we're looking like as of right now. I'll be excited to see how this updates over the next couple of days. So the first thing I want to bring you is the ownership accumulation score. A 97.75 out of 100 score. We are ranked number 94 out of 21,000 stocks. Now, guys, I want to say, did you notice anything different about this video? Maybe not visually, but maybe sound. Does it sound a little different? Does it sound a little crisp? Comment down below. I got the new microphone filter on in front of this, so I'm hoping it's knocking out some of the echo in this room. I'm still waiting on getting my soundproofing for the walls, but the filter came in. I got the filter hooked up, and I did a little test recording, and it does sound a little bit more crisp. So comment down below if you notice that maybe this video sounds maybe a slight bit different compared to normal, maybe not the high pitch bouncing off and stuff. So please let me know down below how you like the audio. So got that awesome score. I love that the owner, what that means here, guys, the institutions are buying up this stock. That's what we want to see. Now we're going to go here to the short interest. Check this out. We went over this last night, but we got a little update. And let me get this adjusted. Boom. Now we got this updated. Short interest is about 22.1 million shares, says the short interest ratio, 1.2 days to cover, and the short interest percent of float is a 9.57 according to Fintel. I do think Fintel is slightly behind. I don't think it is up to date because sometimes we see some of the Ortex numbers. It's not matching up on Fintel. I do think Fintel is a little bit behind on some of that information. But this here, the short squeeze score is still looking very phenomenal. And we are at an 89.92 out of 100. Ranked number 19, guys, out of 5,500 stocks. So that is phenomenal to see. 89.92 out of 100 number score. Updated 54 minutes ago. There's only 50,000 shares at a leading prime brokerage, whether to lend, borrow, short, whatever you want to say. That's all that's left. We still got the same short borrower fee, updated 54 minutes ago. It's still sitting at 21.86%. So those people were paying the fees to short it. And I'm sure they was out there shorting it today. And you can see the stock overall did really, really well. I mean, you're only talking less than 20 cents difference. So who cares? I mean, the whole market kind of went a little bear towards the end of the day. So you can't really account for that. And if we go here and look at 9, we got 9.9, and the Fintel short volume is a 23.1, and combined short volume ratio is a 26.41. So it doesn't seem like the shorts are loading up. You can see just the other day we were at 54, then we went down to 40, 39, 26. So every day it's going down a little bit. Little Theory Smokey put out there, and I think he's probably right. I think the shorts are possibly getting a little nervous about shorting this stock anymore, and maybe they're actually starting to possibly going to be buying shares, or they're just not going to be shorting as much because they're afraid of what's going to happen. They don't want to get caught, in a sense, with their pants down in this situation because we already know we're going to torch the shorts, and they're going to be literally there with their pants down. So, yeah, they don't want to be caught with the pants down when this baby, goes to the moon. We go here to the short transactions for yesterday, 9.9. You know I got you the juicy totals right here. The total short sell transactions is 142. The total shares shorted is going to be 268,421 shares. And the total dollar amount of those shares shorted, $1,400,835.66, guys. Over $1.4 million was to short the stock on the 9th. Now keep in mind, this is only transactions that are $5,000 or greater. And if we still look over the last 5 days, they haven't really moved us but a couple of cents. I mean, if you look here on the 9th, we're trading in this same channel. If anything, back here we were at $5 and we're still up from the 9th. So they're not really getting anywhere with all this money they keep pouring in. Now, I got the charts up for you. There is one transaction, as you can see on these charts, that really stick out and draws our attention. This one person here shorted over 29,000 shares, and they spent $152,318.25 to short the freaking stock. That one transaction, guys, that is a boatload. Also here we got, I'm going to give you a little bonus here. Will Mead on Twitter posted the top 5 stocks that are the top 5 shortest stocks according to S3 real-time short interest data. Number 1 is SPRT with a 60.67% short interest. BGFV, short interest of 49.65. NKLA, short interest of 40.27. SDC, 38.35%. I got that Smile Direct Club. That's what that is. And we got Workhorse, WKHS, at a short interest of 37.61. Now, we talked about the Torch, how the Torch shorts haven't covered. They haven't covered the failure to delivers. So I think we're probably hovering around that 20 to 25% actually short interest on MMAT Meta. That's just my personal opinion, and that's what I truly think it's going to be. So, hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, smash a thumbs up. Check out the links down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, which will be this weekend, because I'm going to pop them out for you guys. So, have a good one. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Peace.